Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best king-size futon mattresses that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Japanese futon king mattress class with Igusa rush grass. Tatami has long been used in Japan traditionally as a floor mat. It is made out of straw or sometimes from other materials which act as the base of Japanese futon king mattress class with Igusa rush grass, the tatami. Its surface is then applied with a very tightly woven natural rush known in Japanese as Igusa. It has been in use in Japan for over 1,000 years and is loved by the Japanese due to the humid climate. The king-size futon mattress uses the high-quality rush which is grown in Japan. It has also been dried, weaved, sewed and crafted in Japan. The Japanese futon king mattress class with Igusa rush grass is made out of 100% natural rush undyed. It is supported by a non-woven fabric which is attached to its back. The rush is both grown and made in Japan. The properties of natural Igusa include keeping the air very clean, controlling humidity, absorbing sweat and realizing a deodorizing odor. This tri-fold king-size mattress ensures an environment conducive to a very comfortable sleep throughout the night. Japanese futon king mattress class with Igusa rush grass has got a firm base which gives support to the user. It is made out of straw or some other materials which can adequately support the weight of the user. The top part is very comfortable due to the use of natural rush grass which is soft and light. As a result of the properties of these materials, the user spends an entire night without any discomfort and wakes up in the morning feeling refreshed. The Japanese futon king mattress class with Igusa rush grass is highly breathable as it is made out of natural materials. It can even absorb nitrogen dioxide as well as formaldehyde. It also controls the humidity from the room. It tempers tea by absorbing moisture when humid and releasing moisture when the room environment is dry. It lets the sweat from the user to be absorbed perfectly, ensuring that the user would have a comfortable sleep throughout the night. The Japanese futon king mattress class with Igusa rush grass is very light, but it is also very durable if properly taken care of. It can be folded into 3, making it suitable for a contemporary lifestyle. It can even be used on uneven surfaces and would still prove to be quite durable. Being lightweight, it is extremely easy to carry around and can be stored in a compact form whenever it is not required. The firm polyester pad in the mattress ensures that it would last for a very long time. Its outer fabric is 100% cotton with a 200 thread count which supports its durability feature. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Au Natural 8 inches. Loft all cotton filled futon mattress, king size from Epic Furnishings. The Au Natural 8 inches. Loft all cotton filled futon mattress, king size from Epic Furnishings is stuffed by hand by expert craftsmen, and it is designed Au Natural 8 inches. Loft all cotton filled futon mattress, king size from Epic Furnishings and constructed to be used by individuals who prefer quite a firm type of comfort. The manufacturer has made this mattress available in many casings of different colors. However, these are not removable. The futon mattress is ideal for both seating purposes as well as for sleeping. However, in both cases, it is the choice of those people who want their mattresses to be firm while sitting or sleeping. This mattress is a standalone product and does not come with a frame. The Au Natural 8 Loft all cotton filled futon mattress, king size from Epic Furnishings is made out of very heavy cotton, poly-twill outer shell. It also includes 14 inches of the best possible cotton padding which is compressed to attain a height of 6 to 8 inches. It provides the much needed inside-out pressure which allows the user to have very comfortable seating or sleep. All of this hand-stuffed which allows for fine details due to individual attention. It ensures the evenness of every layer, and there are tears or lumps. The Au Natural 8 Loft all cotton filled futon mattress, king size from Epic Furnishings has its edges wrapped by hand to ensure that the edges get the same layers as the middle. This is extremely important for comfort while sitting because the edges become stable and straight. This mattress provides a firm comfort level. It enhances the comfort level by avoiding machine-stitched cording which looks unattractive and is rather uncomfortable. Instead, the mattress uses zip closure. There are 23 nylon tufts to ensure layers would not shift. The firm mattress also provides adequate support. The Au Natural 8 Loft all-cotton filled futon mattress, king size from Epic Furnishings is breathable as a result of the use of cotton in the futon mattress, which is naturally breathable and allows an air flow through it which wicks the sweat and moisture away from the user and keeps him/her dry and cool regardless of whether the mattress is being used for seating or sleeping purposes. The futon mattress is also usable on platform beds. The Au Natural 8 Loft all-cotton filled futon mattress, king size from Epic Furnishings lasts for a very long time as it is properly constructed with hand-stuffed contents and the craftsmen are careful about every little detail. It employs softly squared edges which create a very smooth finish, making the futon mattress look very attractive. It is extremely durable and can last for many years if taken care of properly. At number 3, we have the 4-inch folding sofa with removable indoor-outdoor fabric cover from LUCID. The 4-inch folding sofa with removable indoor-outdoor fabric cover from LUCID allows the user and the family to sleep, play or lounge on this 4-inch folding sofa with removable indoor-outdoor fabric cover from LUCID. Highly portable and convenient sofa cum bed mattress. It has a perfectly compact and comfortable design which is ideal for house guests, padding the playroom or even for campouts, etc. The user and his/her family can enjoy the convenience of a sofa without taking a lot of floor space. It is also an ideal mattress/sofa for use in dorms, movie nights or anytime one wants to get cozy. The 4-inch folding sofa with removable indoor-outdoor fabric cover from LUCID is made out of high-quality CertiPure US certified materials. This certification ensures that no ozone layer depleters were used in the production of the foam used in this mattress. Moreover, the materials in this matter are completely free of any PBDEs, polybrominated diphenyl ethers. Fire retardants such as TDCPP or TCEP are also not used in this mattress as they could lead to cancer, genetic defects, etc. The 4-inch folding sofa with removable indoor-outdoor fabric cover from LUCID provides comfort to the user both in the indoors as well as in the outdoors. It can be taken out on camp nights or while camping out at any time. It doubles as a softly styled floor chair which provides very convenient and comfortable seating. The mattress has a lot of support for the user as well. It is ideal for use while having guests for sleepovers, dormitory rooms, cabins, camping, and even for kids' playrooms. The 4-inch folding sofa with removable indoor-outdoor fabric cover from LUCID is equipped with gel-infused memory foam which ensures a high level of breathability while sleeping or seating. It allows air to circulate through it and wicks away the sweat and moisture from the mattress, keeping the user very comfortable, cool and dry. The mattress regulates the temperature and ensures that the user is comfortable at all times while the mattress is in use either as a sofa or as a bed. The 4-inch folding sofa with removable indoor-outdoor fabric cover from LUCID has got a very durable cover which is equally good for use both indoors and outdoors. The mattress is extremely convenient to handle and carry as it has got 2 handles which are double-stitched. This allows for easy folding of the mattress when travel is required. It resists dust mites and is quite safe for children. It can last for a very long time. At number 2, we have the Sleeping Tatami Floor Mat, Foldable Futon Tatami King Mattress from Lovehouse. The Sleeping Tatami Floor Mat, Foldable Futon Tatami King Mattress from Lovehouse is extremely soft, breathable and very comfortable. It is very Sleeping Tatami Floor Mat, Foldable Futon Tatami King Mattress from Lovehouse. Easy even to roll up this futon mattress and just put it away in a closet when it is not being used. It can be brought out anytime it is required and laid on the floor to sleep on it. It has got an effective way of using the floor space, and the storage space. It is also very convenient to move this mattress from one place to the other. The Sleeping Tatami Floor Mat, Foldable Futon Tatami King Mattress from Lovehouse is made out of very high-quality materials. The material is polyester fiber. However, it does not contain any polyvinyl chloride, vinyl, phthalate, chemicals or flame retardants that could cause harm to the user in any way. In the absence of such harmful materials, the user can rest with complete peace of mind and have a very comfortable night's rest. The sleeping tatami floor mat, foldable futon tatami king mattress from Lovehouse is extremely comfortable and also offers adequate support to the user's neck, spine, and shoulders while sleeping and high level of comfort and support while sitting on it as well. It can take the shape of the user's body. It is wear resistant and does not slip, causing the mattress to lay firmly on its support structure. It does not lump or develop balls on its surface, ensuring that the comfort and support are long-lasting. The sleeping tatami floor mat, foldable futon tatami king mattress from Lovehouse is highly breathable as a result of the polyester content, which allows a perfect level of air circulation throughout the mattress. This airflow wicks away the sweat and moisture from the user and keeps him/her very cool and dry. It is, therefore, able to provide very cool nights to the user, and he/she does not have toss and turn throughout the night with restlessness. The sleeping tatami floor mat, foldable futon tatami king mattress from Lovehouse is extremely durable as it can last for a very long time if proper care is taken. It is not recommended to wash it or dry clean it. Bleach must not be used on it at all. It should also not be ironed. It can be laid flat to dry. The mattress is ideal for use in places like dormitories, and for lounging in the living room. It also serves very well if used while camping out or during sleepovers. And finally, at number 1, we have the gray flannel Japanese floor futon king mattress from ColorfulMart. The gray flannel Japanese floor futon king mattress from ColorfulMart is designed and constructed as a very comfortable, breathable and soft gray flannel Japanese floor futon king mattress from ColorfulMart mattress to be used on multiple occasions and for multiple activities. It serves very well for exercise, yoga, massages, kids' games, taking a rest, etc., and be easily placed in the guest rooms, patio, exercise room, dormitories, children playing areas, massage studios, mobile homes, etc. It is very easy to carry it around in the user's car as it is portable and it is very conveniently handled. The gray flannel Japanese floor futon king mattress from ColorfulMart has a thickness of 2 inches, and it is constructed out of 100% flannel, which is used in the top layer of this mattress. The middle layer is made out of microfiber while the bottom layer has been made out of 100% polyester fiber. The various crafts that are used in the construction include reactive printing, flocking and quilting. The gray flannel Japanese floor futon king mattress from ColorfulMart is extremely comfortable and soft for its 2 inches thickness. It can be very easily folded up and put away in the closet. When needed, it can simply be brought out and rolled on the floor. It is also very easy to move and can be transported by car everywhere. The futon needs to be flipped regularly in the first 30 days after purchase to make the best use of it and keep it comfortable and supportive. The gray flannel Japanese floor futon king mattress from ColorfulMart is breathable as it is made out of synthetic materials which allow the sweat and the moisture from the use to be wicked away by circulating air that goes through the mattress. The mattress needs to be vacuum cleaned regularly to ensure that no dust or dust mites accumulate in it. This way, it would remain breathable. In the first 30 days after unpacking, it needs to be placed in a ventilated area without any bedding or cover to allow the smell to go away. The gray flannel Japanese floor futon king mattress from ColorfulMart is also quite durable as long as it is taken good care of. It should not be washed or soaked in water, otherwise, mildew could develop. It needs to be cleaned to remove stains with the help of a damp washcloth which is soaked in warm water and mild detergent. No bleach should be used, and it should not be dry cleaned as well. After unpacking, it is recommended to spray it with baking soda and leave for an hour before vacuum cleaning it. Deeper cleaning is possible with a steam cleaner. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.